Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So as you're already aware from the title, today we are going to the Grand Canyon of Odisha, which is Balisankara. This place is also known by the name Kanhakund. So this is located in Sundargarh district, which is around 130 kilometers from Rourkela via Biju Expressway. So you can find the route very easily on Google Maps. So I have been hearing about this place since a while now, and from that time I have been planning to visit this place. Like I wanted to see it in person, how it is, and why is it called the Grand Canyon of Odisha. So it has really made me very curious because until certain time people didn't knew it, and now everybody is talking about it. So today I'm riding with Shailendra and two of our common friends, Anand Bhai and Lipu Bhai. So earlier I was riding with Shailendra on his RE. Now I am riding with Anuj Bhai with his Jupiter. So we have now taken a diversion from the national highway into the state highway. So the roads are pretty good. It has few bad patches, but not very bad. Overall it's a good road. And in the end you have to take a bit of off-roading to reach the place. So this is it. You can see the rocky plains in front of you, and there are a lot of people who have come for picnic because there is a picnic culture in Rourkela which starts by the mid of November or earlier November, and it continues till the end of February. So people picnic for November, December, January, February, 4 months people go for picnic. I had my picnic 12 years back when I was in Rourkela at this point of time, in winter, because after that I never got to spend winters in Rourkela. I've been here in winter since I think after 11 years most probably, and this happened just because of Corona. We are working from home, so that's the reason I'm here. So I had also planned for picnic, but due to some reason it got cancelled. So no regrets. There are certain things which is not in our hands, and it's okay, not a problem. So you can see the river. This is River Eve, which is cutting through this rocky plains. Just look at the power of this river. It has cut through the rocks and made its way. Due to these rocks, this river was, if you go a bit backward in this video, you can see that this river has been divided into smaller streams. Then again it combines to form a massive river again. So just look at the current. It's immense. But overall it's a beautiful place, and I got to see what I have heard about it, and I'm really satisfied and quite happy that I came here today to witness this beautiful location. And is busy taking photographs, and I'm shooting this video. Everything is going on Insta. Everything. So this is overall how this place looks. Complete rocky plain and beautiful river flowing with it. This place is really good for picnic. Very scenic and beautiful place. You can come with your family, with your friends, and you can enjoy the whole day here. But beware, this place looks beautiful, yes, it's attractive, yes, but it's dangerous. That is also true. Because let me tell you, I have shot this video in the 1st of January 2021 because that was the day when I went to this place. And just after that day, the 2nd of January 2021, a girl from Rajmanpur, she also came here to this place. Unfortunately, she fell into this river and she lost her life. I really feel bad about it when I'm talking about it. So that was really very unfortunate that this thing happened with her. So guys, if you're watching this video and if you're planning to visit this place, let me make it very clear. Please be safe and take care of your safety. Do not take unnecessary risks because life is very precious. If you have your life, if you're alive, you can enjoy a lot of places, lot of things. But if you take a risk and lose your life, then everything is in vain. So, amazing place. Until now, I am surprised how people didn't know about this place. Until certain people visited here and they discussed about this place on Google and social media. Social media is very powerful nowadays. Then people suddenly started talking about this place, and a lot of people are now visiting this place. But earlier nobody knew about it. Maybe locals knew and very few other people knew. Now most of the people know it. And I hope that this video reaches out to many more people and people know about this beautiful place in Odisha. So now time for drone shots, because I want to show the real beauty of this place which you cannot see on ground level. So I'll try to give you a better view of this place, why it is called the Grand Canyon of Odisha. Jacket and Anuka is in black jacket. Look at this beautiful place. You can shoot a movie here. I can shoot Sholay here, Sholay Part 2. I mean, just imagine Gawar chilling out in this place, in the river banks, and kitne aadmi the. Amazing.
Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love.
I've traveled along the riverbank for a good distance to get multiple views for you from different angles and show you different places along the riverbank. So hopefully you will like it. If you like this content, please hit on the like button and please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And share my videos with your friends, your family, and whoever you know, and ask them to subscribe to my channel as well. So until next time, this is me Sandeep signing off. Take care. Goodbye.